Okay, one more. I have 3x cubed plus 15x squared plus 12x. So looking at these, my product, I'm going to need a times c, but if you look closely, I have a 3 and a 15 and a 12. I can find a greatest common factor numerically for 3, 15, and 12. It's 3. Also, each of my terms has the variable x, so I want to put x out as a greatest common factor, where each of these will be reduced by 1. So I'm going to put an x. So I need to get 3x cubed, but I already have 3 and x accounted for, so I need x squared. I need 15x squared. I already have the 3 and the x, so I need a 5 and then an x. And then I have a 12x, or I need a 12x. I've already taken out a 3x, and I'm left with 4. Always look for a GCF first. It usually makes your life a little bit easier. So when I factor, my answer is just going to have the 3x on the outside. This is what I'm factoring. Don't go back to the original. It's more work. Use this as what I'm trying to factor. If I look at my leading coefficient, hot dog, it's now 1. So my a times my c value is 4, and my b value is the middle term 5. So again, when I take out my GCF, I don't use it for the product sum chart. This is what I'm trying to factor. So my multipliers for 4, I have 1 times 4. That gives me 5. Those are the numbers that I need. My leading coefficient is 1. So I just used the 1 and the 4. But let's say I wanted to use the leading coefficient of 1. If I put a 1 over 1 and a 4 over 1, it just shows that these are going to be my leading coefficient with the variables. I could call that 1x plus 1 times 1x plus 4. I really don't need the 1's. You can put the 1's, you can leave them off, up to you, but look for a GCF first. Your homework assignment that's going to be passed out is going to be due on Monday. Have a good weekend.